Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin.
See that SS? Super sexy. We got a black El Camino here with white stripes, cowl induction hood, and there's a big block and a 4-speed. Factory gauges, tilt deluxe wheel. This thing is restored from the ground up. It's beautiful. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study the pictures from top to bottom. That's also where you'll find the price. Not only on this one, but we do have a few hundred collector cars all for sale. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin in this El Camino 4-speed big block car. They claimed it was a body off frame restoration. It looks really clean underneath. It's exceptional. The floors are nice, smooth metal, painted a nice satin black. The whole chassis, the frame, the suspension components, all clean, all painted nice. The front end looks fresh. It looks like it has a lot of recent parts. You look up at the motor, that's spotless. Starter looks brand new. The oil filter, the Chevy orange paint on the oil pan, it looks immaculate. It has a Borg-Warner 4-speed transmission. In back, it has a correct 12-bolt rear end that's coded for a 70 Chevelle big block or small block car. So it has a correct 12-bolt rear end, and it has a polished aluminum finned cover on the rear end. Also in back, it has upgraded chassis works control arms, upper and lower. Also has airbags in the springs, and it has air shocks. So it has some upgrades. The exhaust is the nicest upgrade underneath. You'll hear that in a little bit. But it's all stainless steel front to back. It has fat pipes, has the X pipe in the middle, MagnaFlow mufflers, and it comes out each side right behind the tire. It's a pretty fat pipe there. Sounds great. You'll like that. Disc brakes in front. Emergency brake cables look new. So underneath this car is exceptionally clean. Fit and finish is amazing. Really, this is extremely nice fit and finish. I was looking down the sides, well, I'm doing it again right now, and it is literally a mirror. I know laser straight and mirror finish, that gets used a lot, but this is literally a mirror. You know, being a black car, it's got to be straight to look good. Well, this thing looks great. The body gap and the door is right on. It's square and flush. There are no bubbles. It is smooth sailing down here. All new chrome and trim. The emblems, the moldings, all the stainless moldings, even on the door frame, the handles, the mirror, the lock, all that looks new. All around here, all around the top of the bed, all looks new. Tail lights, reverse lights, bumper, emblems, all of the trim, again, looks new. Even up front, the lenses, the grills, the headlight bezels, all been replaced. 15x8 Corvette Rally wheels, they look new. The trim is new. Got Goodyear tires. Inside the door jamb, excellent. Bottom of the doors are clean. They're glossy. New weather strip, new sill plates. Doors shut really nicely. Shut super easy. Functional cowl hood. The white stripes, by the way, are painted on the correct dimensions. You don't feel them. They're smooth to the touch. It has the racing pins, which is part of the cowl induction. That flapper door does open and close. Everything fits real nice, too. Lines up real nice here. Beautiful motor compartment. It's all painted just as smooth and glossy as the outside. Up front here, they used all stainless steel hardware. It's got new horns. The motor, the front of the block where the VIN number stamp, it is CTX. That is a 70 Chevelle or El Camino 4-speed 396 350 horse. The casting code on the back, The casting date is 1970. It says high performance on the side of the block. So all the numbers and codes indicate it's a correct motor for this car. This jam is just as slick. New weather strip, new sill plate. Shuts beautifully. Tailgate functions really well too. The mechanism works real nice and easy. Got new cables. Bottom of the tailgate is all rust free. Tailgate door is painted nice. The whole inside of the bed is sprayed with the bed liner. It's real solid. A couple little dimples, but I don't see any rust or issues. It is sprayed, so you can actually use it. You can throw your lawn chairs or cooler in there and not worry about it. Glass looks like it's nice and clear. The interior is all redone. Down on the floor, it's got new carpet, the correct bezel with shift boot, with a Hurst shifter, with the cue ball, knob. The entire instrument panel looks new. The bezels have all shiny chrome. The knobs, the vents are shiny. The heater control panel looks new. Dash pad's mint. Has a tilt column with a new deluxe steering wheel. So it's got cadmium plated booster. Wiper motor looks new. On top of the motor, it's an Edelbrock intake, big dual feed Holley carb, HEI ignition, it has Hedman headers. The power steering pump looks new. We have chrome alternator and bracket, hood insulation. And again, the cowl induction system's complete. It does have the rubber seal on the hood. Usually it's on the air cleaner. There is a piece of the fan shroud that's broken. Looks like the new clutch fan. The radiator looks like it's been replaced. Fuel pump looks new. Real nice in here. I'd say it's show quality even. So in the dash, there's a retro stereo, fits in the factory hole. There's 6x9 speakers. They're in boxes behind the seat here. Door panels, armrests, window cranks are all replaced. The upholstery, the cushion in the seats are real nice. It has real nice GM seat belts. The headliner and visors were replaced. The dome light works. It's the original mirror. It's a little bit cloudy in the mirror. The pedals look new. Just really nice in here. Oh yeah, you can hear it's got a cam, and it's got that nice sounding exhaust I was telling you about. My son manages the shop. He's made half a dozen comments about this car in the last week or two, and they've all been good. He says that's the perfect muscle car sound in his opinion, and he has just made the comment a few times. It's just a really good car. I haven't driven it, but I bet this thing runs. And shifting through them gears in an El Camino, gotta be awesome. This car does have a state-issued VIN. I think it's a Missouri VIN number, so that means it's been checked out, verified. There's no issues with it. Clear title, clear VIN. It was reissued by the state. Absolutely laser straight. The hood fits nice and flat. Doors shut beautifully. It's a nice one. Really nice El Camino here from the bottom up. We got it down south. Just a good old solid El Camino. Visit volocars.com. I just gave you my impression of this car. If you have any specific concerns or questions, feel free to ask. Plenty of ways to reach out to the salesman on our website, volocars.com. They can also arrange shipping, financing, and make the paperwork real easy for you. And I see the headlights are flickering. If you just enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. So whatever happened with the lights, obviously we'll take care of that. Visit volocars.com, and again, they'll answer your questions for you. Thanks for watching.